complaint I get, it is start and stop. Press the button. Alright, so the circuit board was removed. As you can see, it is bulge at the top. So this is how it's supposed to look, flat. Alright, not like that. If you notice, the capacitor has this marking right here. That is the negative side, and you have to ensure that you place the capacitor based on the height of this capacitor right here. We have to make on one hole about the same size as here in order for this to fit through. Reason being, you see, because this is much smaller than this one. So just like that, press start.